Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your photo edges look seamless? I'll show you exactly how in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels and confirm. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. Use the search bar to find a specific element you need. Select it to add to your design. Click the photo to select it. Next, choose the option labeled Next. We'll now add elements to enhance your design. Locate the Elements tab in the menu and click on it. Then, in the search bar, type Shape. Press Enter to view the available shapes. Select your preferred shape from the results and add it to your project. Select the Rectangular Shape tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on your canvas to create a rectangle. This shape will be the foundation for the rest of the design. Click on the Color option, then select Gradient from the list to apply a gradient effect to your selected element. Click the Add New Color button to create one. Select the style as circular, then change the existing gradient to none or set it to transparent. After that, click Add New Gradient to create a customized gradient effect for your design. Click Add Another to include an additional item or entry. Next, locate the transparency slider. Drag the slider to the left to decrease transparency, making the image more visible and enhancing clarity for better viewing. Reduce the color gradient by selecting the Gradient tool, then dragging the handles closer together to create a subtler effect. Adjust the colors as needed until you achieve the desired appearance, then release the mouse button to apply the changes. Expand the canvas slightly by dragging the corner outward. Next, select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar to add rings. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a ring shape. Adjust its size and position as needed. You can add multiple rings or other design elements using the appropriate shape tools to enhance your layout and create a more dynamic composition. To duplicate this, select the object, right-click, and choose Duplicate. Then, click Position to adjust its placement exactly where you want it on the stage. Select the option below to add it to your list. Hover over the desired item, then click the Add button that appears. This will move the item below into your current selection. After adding, double-check that the new item has appeared in the list. If needed, you can repeat these steps to add additional items as well. Check that your content matches this layout. Adjust spacing or formatting as needed to achieve proper alignment, ensuring everything lines up correctly for a polished appearance. To change the text heading font family, select your heading, go to the toolbar, click the Font Family dropdown, and choose your desired font from the list. Next, change the font size to adjust the appearance of your text. Select the text you want to modify, then locate the Font Size menu in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click the drop-down menu and choose your desired font size from the available options. Your selected text will update automatically to reflect the new font size you've chosen. Change the color by selecting the element you want to edit. Click on the color option in the menu, then choose your preferred color from the palette or use the color picker for a custom shade. Once you've applied the new color, move to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, select Download. In the download options, choose PDF Print as your preferred file type. Make sure to review the quality settings to ensure your document meets your printing needs. Confirm your selection by clicking Download again. The file will be prepared and saved to your device in a format suitable for high-quality printing. You can now open the saved PDF to check your changes or share it with others as needed. You've learned how to blend photo edges smoothly in Canva. If you found this handy, drop a like and hit subscribe for more creative tips.